up, YouTube? It's your girl Diddy in this bitch, and I am back with another freaking video. Okay, today we're trying the Popeyes, the new chicken sandwich or whatever. This shit is cold, but whatever.
And it's staying.
I'm here with my friend. But I'm here with her.
Look, and they want to give us more.
And this customer was rude as fuck. This start off.
This is too good.
This is the spicy?
Yeah, the one by itself.
That shit
It's big.
That shit fat as fuck.
Are you ready? I want a little bit of yours that side.
Look at that shit.
And there's the regular. Same shit.
Hold up.
I'm from big.
Yeah.
That shit look just like a regular.
That looks like a whole rat. But the Chinese people.
What a fucking thing.
You know the Chinese people are little dogs. You never see that. Okay, let me try it. You hear that?
Is that?
It's good.
That shit don't got a lot of nails. Got it.
It's crunchy. You hear that? You know it's good. I never had Chick-fil-A, so I can't compare it
It's
to Chick-fil-A.
overhyped. Chick-fil-A is good.
Chick-fil-A is nasty. Ew, it got pickles.
I love pickles.
Take that shit. Only one pickle, bitch. They tried it. Oh, two.
That's just sloppy.
Hey, shit.
Let me taste some spicy.
It's not even spicy.
It's not?
No.
Let me taste this side. This shit is...
That's a little dog, bro. It's not spicy.
No.
Told you. What's up?
I think that was the regular. Did I think
It
they
was.
gave you a regular?
I don't know.
Try that. How many bags did they give us? Try that. That tastes the same as mine.
Oh, I can't really see. There you go.
This shit was overhyped.
No, but it's good. It's crunchy.
It's good, but
I thought that shit was gonna be so good, it's gonna make me wanna slap my mom.
Cute. Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want, Willie? Ain't but one location, so it's me and you.
you're so fucking lame. It's good, but it's not like that serious as people was making it seem.
No, for real, bro. I thought it was gonna be so good.
They ain't putting enough.
That was gonna slap the fuck out you.
Out of who?
Are you? That shit.
That shit don't even look like pickle. It look like a cucumber.
I can make that shit at home.
Right. Just buy chicken.
Chicken breast.
Put some APs on that shit. And fry it.
That shit.
Good. That's a regular one, Didi. That's not spicy.
But it's good. It's crunchy.
It's very crunchy.
And it's good.
That's my last time going there, though, because they just rude as fuck.
Why, you don't like it?
You talking about the people.
It's Popeyes. They're ratchet.
I'm very ghetto.
That's like chicken tenders, man.
That is.
Chicken tenders. That's what it is. It's hard. You make this shit, man. You make this shit feel like it
I
was
feel like Chick-fil-A better.
Don't like Chick-fil-A. Don't care for it. Never will. But Popeyes, yeah, good.
Chick-fil-A chicken deluxe is better than these.
But I didn't see what the hype was about.
It ain't serious.
I like the bread.
The bread?
The bread is good.
They didn't give us no napkin?
Oh, yeah. Look at you talking shit.
Okay.
Talking shit. Y'all got any drink, bitch? We ain't buy no drink. That's how broke we are. Let me see. 5. Let's get to 7.
What?
A minute.
Tastes is spicy.
No. Let me taste it. Right.
Tastes is. He probably give us all regular.
I think that shit right back. Oh, got it. Bro. You see the... Look at this.
Burnt?
Yeah. Look at the bag. This shit burnt, bitch. Burnt just like you.
They don't burn your bread.
Let me taste it.
He gave us all 3 regulars.
It's not spicy. Try it.
I told him 2 regulars and 1 spicy.
It's the same shit.
That tastes straight up like oil. Ew.
I feel like Popeyes is for people that want to die. When I have what? Diabetes, bitch?
Mm-hmm.
Or when I have high, what? Cholesterol? What is it called?
I don't know.
Come on, bro.
This shit was not that serious. Chick-fil-A is still better.
Chick-fil-A, nasty.
It's better than this.
It's
Chick-fil-A
nasty.
chicken sandwiches, they're better. And Culver's.
You go for Culver's?
I like
That's for old people, bro.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie. This shit good.
It's good, but it ain't. that good.
Alright, guys.
Okay, see. I ate it.
Alright, guys. Let this go down. Hold up. Alright, guys. That concludes the video. Make sure y'all like it. Subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. _Princess4Didi. I need to change my name. I don't like it. And she doesn't have a social media. But if y'all need her number, it is 239.
Don't be pulling out my number like that.
But anyway, guys, if y'all haven't tried this, go try it. I mean, it's good, but I don't see what the hype was about.
Really?
But
Honestly.
it's good. Bye.
Take me to a place I can't imagine.